Hey guys, welcome back to Fenderwell Iron and Customs. I'm Michael, and today we're back out here on the Volkswagen again. I'm gonna try to get this rear fender well on the right side fitting a little better. I got to do a little work to it. It could use. It's getting close. It needs a little more curve, a little more crown. Well, the crown here is fine. It may need a little more crown here, but it needs to have a little more crown this way, all the way the entire length, just a little bit. It needs to be shrunk along the edge just a little bit. But to begin with, I need to cut out the base. Let me get y'all set up. All right, I need to cut, as you can tell, this. When I marked this out and cut it out, I marked it with a string from the center of the axle and created a line. And I'm going to just do like I did the other side, go straight down, and we're going to cut through the heat channel. And that's what we're going to do. All right. That was not as graceful as I would hope that it would have been. This is probably where the Sawzall would come in handy. I don't know what's in there, but it is stinky. Watch me splatter the blade. All right, fun. Alright guys, I'm not mad about any of that. I went and wheeled the back a little bit because it was crowned in this way, so I wanted to get the crown to go back that way towards the inside of the car, if not flat. I may try to do a little more shaping before I weld it in, but it's close to what the other side looks like. The fit is not bad. Well, not bad for a Volkswagen rat rod. Shh, don't tell anybody, it's not going to be a rat rod. Okay, it'll probably be more ratty than a hot rod, but anyway. I do have a grand vision for the car. And anybody that knows me well will not be surprised at what my grand vision is. But y'all will have to see it when we get to it. Anyway, I am sweating my tail off. It is still February and I can't believe how hot it is. So anyway, like I said, I went and did just a little bit of wheeling. Enough that I got a good sweat. Should have set up the camera and let y'all watch me wheel a little bit. But I got a few track marks. I flipped it upside down and wheeled with the bottom die. How did I do that? On the inside. This isn't really going to matter. Yeah, okay. Somehow or another I managed to dig in a couple of times. I think it was because the wheel got too close to the edge where I was trying to wheel up close to the edge. Just a, beginner mistake there. But like I said, guys, if y'all are going to do this metal working stuff, y'all got to get out here and put a piece of metal in something that works metal and figure it out. Watch all the videos you want to, but until you actually get out here and start doing the work, you have no idea. Anyway, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'm going to come in, I'm going to hopefully get this Fenderwell in, and we're going to start putting the back together. Hopefully. Also Saturday, which will be the day after tomorrow, it's going to be, I think, today's video is the 25th. Tomorrow will be the 26th. Saturday will be the 27th. We're gonna, my intention is, it may be Saturday and Sunday, but my intention is to do one video making that deck lid into a W deck lid. Yeah, that may, woo. Anyway, so come back. We're gonna work on it some more tomorrow, and we're gonna try to work on it all weekend long. And that's it. See y'all tomorrow.